Hi, I'm Karen, one of the horticultural supervisors here at the Botanic Gardens. I'm here to show you our demonstration Verge garden, which is down here at the Murphy's Avenue entrance to the Botanic Gardens. What we have here is a variety of native plants that are available from our Green Plan sale days once a month at the nursery. You'll also find here that all of the plants fit underneath of our Verge guidelines, which is 700 millimetres here. Now these species are carex, the type of grass. The other ones are yellow buttons, scavola and brachycome, all of which are local native ground covers, very tough, require minimal maintenance and not a lot of water. So we've discussed using natives for our Verge, but this is something a little different. These are exotic plants, so not native to Australia. They still conform to our 700 standard, but these ones will require a little bit more maintenance than your natives down there. They'll need a little bit of extra water, they'll need an occasional prune, but these species will provide you with year-round beauty and flowers as well. So these ones here are different types of Salvia. We have in the front some different types of Euphorbia, and you can also use some different types of grasses, so liriope here, or smaller species like this here is a geum, gets lovely flowers in orange, lemon and the like. Or if you're after a foliage contrast, you can go for something like a heuchera, which comes in a variety of different foliage colours. One thing to note though, these do not conform to our 700, so these are to be avoided. Everything needs to be of the standard 700 or below. We've talked about using exotic plants as part of your Verge, but that was a more informal setting. Here we've got a formalised setting where the plants are a little more structured. So in the middle we have a flowering species called Angelonia. Then on the outside of that we have alternanthera, which is basically a foliage plant. This one will need a little bit of tending. You may need to clip it to maintain the height. And then on the outside edge we've planted lobelia, which is a lovely little white flower. Still maintains that 700 or less and will grow year-round, flowering very nicely.